Hi, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to harmonize a melody with chords. It is taken from ABRSM Grade 6, 2023A, Question 1A. Let's look at the question. Step 1 is to look at the key signature. With one sharp, it can be G major or E minor. Let's look at the first two notes. Most likely, it is from a GBD chord. And at the end, it ends on G. So we can confirm this is in G major. Step 2 is to hum or sing the melody. You can just hum it or sing it or play it when you are at home. Let's listen to it. Step 3 is to write out the chords like this. G major 1 is GBD, 2 is ACE, 3 is BD, F sharp, and so forth. Remember to write in F sharp when you spell out the chord. Step 4 is to choose a chord that match with the melody. Usually, I will start with one chord in the beginning, and at the end, it's easily to identify the 1C51. When you sing it as mi, re, do, supertonic to tonic, it's a typical perfect cadence. Then the previous note can be found in the tonic chord. So most likely it will be 1C51. 1C is a decoration of 5. Now we can proceed from the beginning. After the one chord, this E can be found either in 2 or 4. But at this moment, I will choose a 4. The next note, since this is by step, usually it will change to another chord. This D can be found from the 5 chord, D, F sharp, A. Now we come to the second bar. If we look at the notes, it is like a descending scale. And as we sing the solfege, it is fa, mi, re, do. If I sing the mi, re, do, I will immediately identify it as a passing 6/4. So I can put the 1, 5, C, 1B immediately. Then the C, I can find it from the 2 chord or 4 chord. But since I have chosen a 4 before, so now I change to a 2 chord, which is a minor chord, and change the quality. Now we move on to the third bar. From the G here, we can continue to sing Do, Re, Mi. And it is also a passing 6/4 pattern. But since we have used it once, and this time I will change it to passing 6/3. Mi, re, do, 1B, 7B, 1. The next two notes requires one chord only, A and C. So it is from the 2 chord. I will choose the first inversion because in the previous bar I have used a 2 and now I use the first inversion. Then finally, these 4 quavers all from the tonic chord GBD. So definitely a 1. Since we have the B 2 times here, I will not use 1B because usually we don't double the third here. All right, so we are done. But remember to have step 5, check consecutives, play and listen. So how can we check it? I have dropped down the bass note here so that we can check it visually for consecutives. Tonic chord 1 to 4. This is a 5th, a 3rd, go to a 3rd, and this is unison, that's an octave. But since we have contrary motion, there won't be parallels. A to C is a 3rd, G to B a 3rd. Parallel thirds are always fine. And this is the pattern of passing 6/4, passing 6/3. Now we come to here, with the octave. But the soprano goes by step and the bass go by leap. So it won't be a parallel. C to G, A to B is just a third. And the final pattern, mi, re, do, so, so, do, is all fine. 1C, 5, 1. Now let's listen to this. Finally, we look at the model answer from ABRSM. You can compare the chords are slightly different, but they are all fine. Let's listen to it. Which one do you like? You can comment below.